Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome. Today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday, September the 22nd, 2020. We have only one regular Sudoku, and this one is a medium Sudoku, and this Sudoku will be a number. Let me see. This will be a 1585. Yes, it's 1585. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. So I'm curious how many there are in this Sudoku. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 5 is 13. 14 plus 3 is 17 plus 5 is 22. 23 plus 4 is 27. So if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars and 4 star Sudokus, in the additional, this will be a 1 star Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. In this big square, one of the missing number is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these two boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those two boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. So we have an 8 in the last row, and 8 in one of these two boxes in a row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a... 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 8. We see here 4 and 8 in this row, so no 4 and 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 here, so I have marked those 2 boxes with a dot. One of these 2 must be an 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And I remember these 2 dots I've marked should be an 8. We have an 8 now, so no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, alright. 3 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 3. So in this box can be a 1 or the 3. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. Alright. And how about... Yeah. How about 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 and a 4 in this last column, so no 3 and a 4 in these 3 boxes, so the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Then how about the 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so in that column the only place for the 3 should be there. Then 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so the third column the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2, alright, the 4. Now the 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so the row between, only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 6. How about the number? In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 9. 7 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 1 goes there. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 7. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. Then one, two, three, four, 5. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in this box. There are 5, no 5 in that box. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this column. The numbers 6 and 7 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there, and all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 3. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. And then 2, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those numbers are the 2, the 5, and the 9. We see here 2 and a 5, so no 2 and a 5 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 9. The 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. 2 and a 5. 2 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them for you. 7 and 9. How about 9, 2? Yes, 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here. Oh, there we see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in the middle row for the numbers 1 and 9. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 boxes left in the last column for the numbers 2 and 9. 2 and 9. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. How about these 2 numbers? Oh, no. We have a 7 and a 9 now. Now we have a 9 here. So this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9. And this should be a 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 7. Oh, made the mistake. Double 7 here. So it cannot be 5 and a 7. It should be 5 and a 9. 5 and a 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Wow, what a mistake. I've discovered this mistake. That means the other 2 numbers should be the 2 and the 7. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 2 goes there. What a mistake. What a mistake. Alright. Now we have a 2 here. So this can't be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2. And this should be the 5. 1 box left in the first row for the number 9. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there, 5 should be here. The 1 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this can't be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1. And this should be the 3. 1 box left in the first column for the number 3. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 1 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there, 7 should be here, the 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Made a little mistake, but I have recovered. Thank you for watching. If you like this Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you soon with extra Sudokus. Bye bye for now.